freaking out the frogs. He's freaking out the people. He's down in culverts because he says that's where they put all the good stuff. And it is. Really cool cardinal flower there. Just hanging out by the stream bank. That's what it likes. It is Lobelia cardinalis. This one here has a lot of old flowers down the spike, and you can see those developing seed pods there. So they have this big sort of fleshy, juicy structure inside that is covered in seeds, and then those dry out and shrink, releasing, you know, all the seeds into just sort of the inside of that capsule that you sort of see there. So that turns into sort of a can of loose seeds. Hundreds, if not thousands, of seeds in those. And beautiful, beautiful flowers. Red, cardinalis, Lobelia cardinalis. Cardinal, like the Pope's friends and the birds. Yeah, work's been stressful, and so you just gotta go out and go on a walk. And or two. This was my second one today. Yeah, you know, helps lower the blood pressure, lower the blood sugar, lower the blood. Just is your blood too high? Just go on a walk. See some cool stuff. There's our old friend camphorweed. Smells funny. Is it good? I don't know. It smells weird, I can tell you that. Like this other lobelia here, this one's already spent, but this is commonly called Indian tobacco. Don't remember the species name for it, but it has these little inflated seed capsules. And I've already collected some seeds from this. I'll see if I can get any to fall out there. No, well, a little bit. You can see some seeds there. They're mostly spent at this point. And in fact, I think I came and shook this exact plant, so I may have taken all the seeds, but there they are there. I'll let them stick to my hand for a little bit of this walk, shake them out somewhere else. I thought I was done with this video, but nah, I got another one over here. Lobelia central, right on this little, there's the cardinal flower right there that we were just looking at. Walked, what, 15 feet here? Got another lobelia, downy lobelia. And this has got a good bit more flowering to do. Beautiful flower, purple on this one. There's those seed pods maturing there. I'll collect some seeds from this too. Downy lobelia, Lobelia puberella or something like that. I'll put the name up on the screen. Yeah, Lobelia central here. We got Lobelia cardinalis, the cardinal flower. We got that Indian tobacco, which I don't remember the specific name of right now. Also Lobelia. And we got this downy lobelia here. Lobelia-palooza or something. I don't know. I'll figure out a better name for this video. Some legend lost his hat. It's sad. It's really sad what's happening to the legends. The one thing I wanted to do on this walk was come down to this cut that goes across the creek. This is, I guess, just like an easement cut or something. There's some infrastructure on either side, but yeah, this guy right here. American Senna hebecarpa. I want to grow this next year. So I'm just coming back every few days, looking to see if these beans are ready. They're not. Still very, very green, very flexible. These will turn blackish brown, dry out, and have sort of air space inside when they're ready. I'll collect them and get them going. It's beautiful, sort of yellowish, flecked with red flowers when they're going off. Native. Very little maintenance, as you can see. Nobody is doting on this thing, and in fact it looks like deer have taken some snips out of it. It's doing fine. You know, just go on a walk, even in the rain, like John Cusack. I used to have this theory that John Cusack gets rained on in every movie. And I don't care enough about that theory to validate it. You ever go down into a culvert? It's where the good stuff is. Right down here we got an even better example of that downy lobelia. So there you can see it's colline leaves, and then up here, better example of its flower spikes. So this one's got a lot of them going off at the same time. showing up a little blue on my camera. That's kind of interesting. And in life, these are a good bit more purple. They're sort of a lavender color compared to what I'm seeing on my screen here. But anyway, yeah, I got that. I've identified this before. I don't know what, I can't remember what it is. It's somewhat of a rare-ish plant, but I think it's in the monkey flower family. Don't quote me on that. I'll figure out what that is. I remember what it is. I remember identifying it before, but I don't remember what it is. And over here we got seed box, our old friend seed box. Coolest seed pod ever. Been mowed down a bunch, maybe by deer, maybe by people. They spray poison all along this because, of course, you got to spray the poison or else the invasive ligustrums. You don't look, you know, like that. I guess that's attractive. I don't know. They're maintaining this look. I don't know why. But anyway, got all kinds of cool stuff in this verge. Got, you know, grapes. There's a trumpet creeper right there. Sometimes eat the grapes. They're probably going to give me, like, you know, eyelid cancer or something. I don't know. Some horrible thing because they're just spraying poison all along here just to maintain this bullshit.